Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, blue color, black color, white color, green color, yellow color. Kids, now coloring numbers. Kids, first you draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color. O N E 1, the numbers of 1. Kids, again use red color and draw 2, the numbers of 2. T W O 2. Kids, now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use blue color. T H R E 3. Kids, again use blue color and draw 4, the numbers of 4. F O U R 4. Kids, now draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use black color. F I V E 5. Kids, again use black color and draw 6, the numbers of 6. S I X 6. Kids, now draw 7, the numbers of 7, and use white color. S E V E and 7, the numbers of 7. Kids, again use white color and draw 8, the numbers of 8. E I G H T 8, the numbers of 8. Kids, now draw 9, the numbers of 9, and use green color. N I N E 9. Kids, again use green color and draw 10, the numbers of 10. T E and 10. Kids, now draw 11, the numbers of 11, and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 12, the numbers of 12. Kids, now draw 13, the numbers of 13, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw 14, the numbers of 14. Kids, again use red color, last draw 15, the numbers of 15. Kids, today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.